Alright, peeps, yes, peeps, yes, peeps. It's the day after the car meet. Hope everybody is doing good so far. Hope everybody is safe. Um, I'm gonna have to make this a two-part series because I got so much footage. I have to make it a two-part series, alright, guys? I don't want to bore you guys, alright? So I have to make it a two-part series. But anyways, enough of me. Let's go see what happened. Yo peeps, so I go on. Hope y'all having a wonderful day today. I'm tired right now. Been outside cleaning up the ride. So I've been planning something for you guys, and we're finally gonna do it today. So today is going to be a car meet day. So it's gonna be epic. Plenty of cars. As far as I know, there's gonna be a lot of cars there that I've never showed you guys before. We're gonna take this time out as Jamaicans living abroad to come together, show our love and our respect to each other, and have a good time. And if any of you guys are watching that aren't Jamaicans and you want to be a part of it, no problem. Just hit us up on our Facebook page and our Instagram, and we will set a date. And you guys could also be a part of the link up whenever we decide to link up. All right. So, yeah, that's about it for now. Oh my days, guys! It's that time. It's that time. It's car meet time, guys, and not a lot of us are here as yet, but damn, it's a hot day. It's a beautiful day, though. It's definitely a beautiful day. So you guys can see, it's definitely a beautiful day. Oh my word, it's a beautiful day. It's a hot day though. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to you guys whenever everybody else is here. My team is here so far. Well, some of us are here. So we're just waiting for everybody else to gather. As I said, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I'm gonna give you guys a view of the beach, and then I get right back. Alright. So, alright, guys. I told you that I'm gonna see if I could get a view of the beach for you. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. You want your car still, no? Yeah? You want your car still? Oh, yeah, man. Mars, come in, Mars. But I say I beast, you know, so I could hear what I go and feet, no? No problem. Alright guys, I told you that I wouldn't show you until it's finished. Here's the finished product.
Yeah, man, see,
Here's the Joker.
look at this man. I hit man. Pure man.
Grim ya, see Grim, you know what's on the baby this. See Grim ya? Me you want to go out like Grim me general.
Biological warfare, worse than atomic nuclear. Now the media panic, mankind living in a fear. Signs of the time draw near. Reduce world population and the meditation. But if you can't prove it, it's just allegation. And them control the labs and the stations, so be careful.
Smart no jack too much attention. I should come here and say that. Yo.
guys. Alright, guys. I told you guys that it was epic. I told you it was epic. So, me and my friends ended the day at this beautiful site. We do have more footage for you guys. As I said, it's gonna be more than a 1-part series. Alright, so you guys stay safe until next time.
White blacks so kill black on the black man. Senseless killing need to stop, man. Take your money, buy guns, how that, man. Better start up a business and invest, man. Buy guns, money, buy guns, how that, man. Better start up a business and invest, man. Buy guns to kill your brother, I know the best plan. You know the worst part, how it hurt, man. I somebody where you know, and a strange man. I somebody where you know, me I tell you, be a killers out there, crocodile and gorillas out there. Yeah, the streets like a jungle, I swear. The streets like a jungle, I swear.